Hello and welcome back after the summer. We're going to start today with a small little introductory video on how to do a split mapping, which is where you take data with multiple items in it and split that into multiple datas with one item in each. First of all, we have a mapping we already made, which takes in an array of JSON items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're just going to run that and see what comes out the other side. Over here, we have the other side, which we mapped, and it's going to make another array, also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's a fairly classic mapping. You could obviously do a lot more complicated things, where you're looping over elements with lots of children, lots of code, but for the moment, we're just doing a one-for-one simple mapping. Now, we're receiving a data with an invoice with 1,000 line items on it on the left, and we want to map to 1,000 individual sub-invoices on the right. So we'll pretend each of these 1, 2, 3, 4s is something a lot more complicated. But now, the point of the demonstration is we're going to take the child and we're going to tell it that instead of a normal looping, we actually are going to try a split looping style. So we pick split on the looping style. So far, you don't see any difference, but when we run it, we'll be asked to save because we just made a change. And you see here we have 8. That's actually showing the last one. If we look up a little bit, we see page 8 of 8. If we go down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we have each of the new elements on the left has been taken to an individual child on the right. That's all well and good if we want to do a document with 1,000 things into 1,000 documents, but maybe we want to bunch up. Maybe we could handle 10 at a time. So we're actually going to say, instead of split granularity 1, we're going to tell that we can handle, say, 3 at a time. So let's run that, press execute, and we have to save again because we just made another change. Yes, and it runs. And now you see we have 1, 2, 3, and on the second one, 4, 5, 6, and on the third one, 7 and 8. That's all there is to making a split mapping in DS. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.